Fluent Listening, Episode 8, Planning a Weekend Trip Together. Characters: Liam likes nature and hiking. Emma likes food and sightseeing. Olivia, practical, handles logistics. Welcome to Fluent Listening, your A1, A2 English podcast. In Episode 8, Planning a Weekend Trip Together, Liam, Emma and Olivia meet to plan their weekend getaway. You'll learn common English phrases used for travelling, booking, packing, transportation and group coordination. Scene 1, Friday afternoon, planning the trip.
Okay, team. Are we all still good to travel this weekend?
Absolutely. I need a break from the city.
Yes, I'm excited. So let's finalize the plan today.
Great. Where are we going again?
We said the mountain cabin near Lake Pine, right?
Yes, I called them yesterday. They have one cabin left and I reserved it.
Awesome. What time are we leaving?
Let's leave tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. That gives us time to stop for breakfast.
Perfect. Who's driving?
I can drive. My car fits all three of us and the bags.
Great. I'll bring snacks for the road.
Scene 2, Booking and Packing.
How much is the cabin?
It's $180 per night. We'll split it 3 ways.
That's $60 each. Not bad.
Check-in is after 2 p.m. and check-out is at 11 on Sunday.
Do we need to bring towels and blankets?
Nope, they provide everything, but bring your own toiletries.
What should I pack?
Warm clothes, walking shoes, flashlight, power bank.
Don't forget sunscreen and bug spray.
Thanks, Emma. I almost forgot those.
Oh, and a small first aid kit just in case.
Scene 3, Food and Supplies.
Should we bring food or eat out?
There's a small store near the cabin, but not many restaurants.
Let's bring some food and cook together.
Fun. I can bring pasta, sauce, and fruit.
I'll bring eggs, bread, and drinks.
I'll pack snacks, water, and a mini stove.
Let's make a checklist tonight.
Scene 4, Travel Logistics.
Liam, do you have a GPS?
Yes, and I'll print the directions too, in case there's no signal.
Good thinking. What's the driving time?
About 2.5 hours with one stop.
I'll check the tire pressure and fill up the tank tonight.
I'll bring some music and a travel playlist.
Bring chargers and a camera too.
Scene 5, Expectations and Activities.
What's the weather like?
Saturday will be sunny, around 24 degrees Celsius. Sunday might rain in the afternoon.
Great! Let's hike on Saturday and relax on Sunday.
Can we go kayaking?
Yes, we can rent kayaks at the lake.
Awesome! I'll bring a ball and card games.
Let's take photos for memories.
And we can make pancakes for breakfast on Sunday.
Scene 6, Final Checklist before the trip.
Let's do a final checklist.
Clothes. Shoes. Toiletries. Snacks.
Food. Flashlight. Chargers. Sunglasses.
Cabin reserved. First aid kit. Cash and ID. Emergency contact.
Let's meet at my place at 7:30 a.m.
Can't wait.
Road trip, here we come.
Thanks for listening to Fluent Listening, Episode 8, Planning a Weekend Trip Together. Let's review some useful words and travel phrases from today's episode.